this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro today with 2016 Kia Sportage, stock number 7407. It's run from the 10th 2015 to the 8th 2021. Is a G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door, no dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 2 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.